Okay then, so as you can see, they're both fiberglassed in now. They went off, I did them last night, so they're gone off, which is great. And they're in there, brilliant, brilliant. These still clip in, which is, can I do it? Can I do it? I can't do it one-handed. Take it from me. They still clip in. I'll tell you what, I think I'm probably doing it all the way around. Well, they do anyway, which is good. Okay. However, they've given us a bit of a slight space problem. We're struggling for space anyway, aren't we, at the back end of this thing? And I've just mounted it on the, or just sat it down on a bike, and one of them is touching this relay, which in itself isn't too much of an issue. The problem is just sheer space. So we've got to find somewhere else for the relay to go now. Or what I might have to do, I might have to make that a bit smaller than it is. So just the bit that slides on with the LED in, maybe make a slightly thinner one. Okay, so we won't worry about that for the minute though. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and get some definition, or more definition, to the light. And I've decided what I'm going to do it with filler. So with filler, you see, then I can make this any shape in here I like. And I'm hoping that it will define the way the light comes out a little bit better. Should we give it a go? Let's give it a go. So I'm just going to mix up a little bit for that, and I'll just poke a little bit in there. And it won't take long to go off. And then I'll come back to you and we'll have a look and see how it works. Okie doke, see you in a minute. Bye. Okay then, so this is oh, this is hard work, I'll tell you. This is very hard work. So what have I done? The seat then. Oh, excuse the videoing. So the seat, we've made the two bits and we've mounted the rear light in there, which looks good. We're going with the black one for now, which, yeah, I like it. I think it's going to look fine. Okay, so that's mounted in there, as you can see, with the two bits. Now then, we do have a slight... Right then, it's all wired up, and I'll show you how it's working. Okay, so we've got side light, brake light, fantastic, and indicator. Right, left, and then indicator right. Now, can you see that in the camera? I'm just looking at the camera and all you can see is the light reflecting on the inside. Check that out! I think the camera's not picking up because it's so dark. It's so light in here anyway. But I reckon that's bright enough. I reckon that is bright enough. And we've got the effect that we were after. Wow. Excellent. Heat wise. Alright. It's been running for quite a while, hasn't it? Yes, baby. Okay, alright, let's carry on trying to fit everything back together then. Okay, so the seat is done. It's done. Look. There she is in all of her glory. Fitted on there. Fits on nicely actually. So the wires, I sorted out all the wiring in the end underneath. And there's enough room and it's easy to take it off and on as well, which is good. I've done the stripes. I'm gonna have to redo the stripes. I figured out afterwards how to do them properly, but I haven't got any material left, so I'll order up some more material and do them again. But they look all right for now. That's all they're going to be, just on there nice and simple like so. I've had to go narrower with them because of the indicators in the sides, as you well know. I've blown all of the dust off it, and you know what? It's beautiful. This bike is beautiful. Even if I say so myself, it's even more beautiful now with this seat unit on it, I think. So I'm made up. I'm very, very pleased with the result. And so I reckon that's it. I reckon we're done now, aren't we? I reckon the bike project can be shelved again. Now then, so it's meant to be raining next week, and I'm not going to get a chance, but hopefully I'll get it MOT'd either next weekend or the following week. I'm just going to have to see what the weather's like, because I don't want to take it out in the wet. What I have done underneath, I've shortened the under tray, so the under tray only now comes down this far. This is sealed here anyway, but I've left this open around the back here, so there's no weatherproof in here. So it gets a lot of air up inside the seat unit. Okay, because I mean there is a lot of electronics in there, and I'm a little bit worried about heat overall. Those indicators make it hot when they're on, that's for sure. But I reckon they'll be all right. If you see a big molten pile of ash on the side of the motorway, no, I'm joking. I'm joking. So yeah, she's good. She's done. She's done. I just can't wait to ride her. I haven't ridden it for such a long time. I need to get an MOT sorted out. Oh, isn't she beautiful? There you go. There you go. Say goodbye to my bike. Say goodbye to my new seat unit. Oh, should we have a look at it first? Let's see if we can. I've got the glove in my hand. I did that on purpose, didn't I? So, okay, so, well, lights, we know about lights, don't we? It's the indicators we're interested in, isn't it? After all of that faffing around. Remember the front ones? Yeah. Check out the rear. I hope it's MOTable. And the other side. Excellent, excellent. What a result, eh? What a result. Don't ask me why we've spent all of that effort doing this, but I think it was worthwhile. I honestly think it was worthwhile. And the seat looks so much nicer. So much nicer than the old one with the two lights. I think this suits it so much better. Okay, well I'm going to spend the next week tidying up the garage. Got to try and get the camper back in here now. And yeah, well I'll catch up to you again at some point anyway. Yeah, there's my baby. Mwah. I'll speak to you again.